Well, always an exciting, if challenging day here at the Welsh Government, because today's the day when we've been judging the annual Christmas card competition. This year, a theme of a green Christmas. So we've had a really fantastic response to the competition, and because of the theme of a green Christmas, you can imagine that we've had cards covering recycling, electric vehicles. You'd be amazed what Santa can arrive on in a green world, and it's been just wonderful to see the commitment of our young people here in Wales to this agenda that is going to form such an important part of their own future. As ever, incredibly difficult to make a final selection, but I'm about to show you this year's winner. It's from Taliesin, from Ysgol Llannon, and I think it's a particularly beautiful depiction of a Christmas scene, but with hands around the globe, showing how it's only by working together will we be able to tackle the problems of climate change. So huge congratulations to Taliesin. Thank you, of course, to everybody who took part in the competition, and a very peaceful and happy Christmas to you all.